everyone and welcome, and today we're going to talk about phone conversations. Phone conversations. Emboozi Kussimu. Emboozi Kussimu. But please note, when answering a phone call or making a phone conversation, start with greetings. Start with greetings. And for further reference about greetings in English and Luganda, refer to lesson 2 and 3. Also note, know whom you are speaking to. And if you're a man, you say sebo. If a woman, you say nyabo. For further reference, refer to lessons 2 and 3. Okay. Also note, explain yourself clearly. Explain yourself clearly. And remember, explain your need clearly. Always remember to say bye-bye at the end of the conversation. Always remember to say bye-bye at the end of the conversation. Whatever. Okay, so let's start.
Wasizootya mwami George. Nasuze bulungi, wasizootya nnyabo oba njogera n'ani ono? Nayogerako ne Brenda. Brenda, nkuyambe ntya nnyabo? Nsaba kundagirira ya Benaida IT Company Limited. Oh, Benaida IT Company Limited. Esangibwa ku Ntinda Road, Lind Street. Beera bulungi. Oh, kale nnyabo, naawe beera bulungi. Hello. Kale bambi, weeraba.
Thank you very much for watching, and we shall continue on in the next video. Bye bye. Whatever.